So the difference between the two is while jelly comes from just the juice of the fruit, jam actually comes from the crushed fruit itself.
So, firstly, we're gonna just add in all the berries, but we won't need to add any water in because the juices are enough moisture in itself, and we also don't want the sauce to be too runny because the jam needs to be thick. But per your taste, you can add water if you want it to be less dense. And we also won't need to add any flour because it truly should be thick enough at this point. But if you need to, you can if you have so much moisture. And then we simply will be adding in some sugar. And it really depends on your taste. If you like really sweet stuff, then you're going to want to put a lot. You don't like sweet stuff, you can lay low on it. But I personally like a mix of both, so really just measure to what you think is right, and then eventually you're just going to start mixing and waiting for one, moisture to dissolve, but two, start mashing up all those fruits you cut up. That way you can get a good consistency, and hopefully you mash it up enough where you won't be getting any weird nasty chunks. So yeah, just keep on adding in that sugar till you think it's good, and then you can start mixing if you'd like. Maybe let it simmer. I'm not one for exact recipes, so I'm gonna guesstimate that that'll be enough sugar for now.
Eventually, you'll get something more like this, where you start to see it's much more liquidy. This is when you really want to start mashing up all these fruits. That way it gets that good consistency, and it will really start transforming into not just weird mushy fruit into an actual jam. In the aftermath of the crazy messes, you actually end up with some jam. And of course, you can add in and substitute different fruits and stuff, but I'm honestly pretty happy with the results, and I hope that sometime you might try it yourself.
Chaotic kitchen critique.
It's sweet. It's good. So out of 10, I'd give it like an 8.
That tastes good. What does it have in here?
It's good. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries.
The flavors are melting. Oh my God. It's good. I think it has the perfect amount of sweetness. And I think that the flavors work really well together too, so.
Awesome, thank you.